everyone, I am Vishnu Mukherjee, a student of Shantanath Law College and presently employed with Lexan Company. Today I am going to talk about the infringement of patents. We know that one of the most important things as we see today is patent. Patent is when there is an invention or discovery and that inventor has the sole right to use that invention. An application for a patent may be made by the actual inventor of the invention or an assignee of the right to make an application or a representative of the deceased person who was entitled to make such application. So, any person who is actually making the invention or his linear descendants if he has died or anybody who is given the power to do that. Now, if we tell about it, we have to get into what is the infringement of patent. Infringement, as we know, is actually the violation of the rights of the patent. Who has the patent? And we are violating the rights. Now, if the right of the patentee is violated, we will have some of the other remedies, legal remedies, because when there is a right, there is a remedy. Now, what is the onus? We will talk about who has the onus about the patent establishment. It is obviously on the plaintiff who is claiming. There is no obligation of the part of the patentee to warn the infringer, but his conduct should not amount to acquiescence. He should not actually be making such a conduct that he is giving his consent to it. No consent has to be given. Now we know that in the general law of evidence, if there is an infringement, under certain circumstances, the onus may shift on the defendant. So mainly it is on the plaintiff, but in certain circumstances, it may go to the defendant also. If the patent is only invalid, then there can be no infringement or as it is. On the question of infringement, intention or the absence of intention is on material. If you plead to the court that you had no intention of infringing the patent, that will not be any of the required defense in the case of infringement. If the defendant did not know that the patent existed, he will not be liable to pay damages or account of profits. Now, if we talk about the declaration of non-infringement, a person may obtain a declaration from the court to the effect from the use of it, of any of the processes of the making, use of sale of the article, does not constitute the infringement of patent and he cannot claim even though the patentee or the licensee has not alleged it. Now, if we talk that who is actually an infringer, who can be an infringer? Obviously, the person who is infringing or manufacturing the infringed patent. But apart from that, who have been indirectly associated with that, maybe the manufacturer, maybe he is doing anything else. So, where the company infringement, a patent, the director does not have the authority to do the wrongful acts of it. Now, if we come that what will be the constituent of the patent, you have to understand that how are we infringing? Does any amount to infringement of the patent? No. If we are actually taking the most essential part of the patent, from where to get the essential part? It is got from the patentee's writing, that he will state that these are the most important part of my patent. And if anything is stated as necessary, then that part will come in the purview of infringement. The use of chemical substance, that is the chemical equivalent in the place of chemicals used in the patented process, will not avoid infringement. I am using any chemical equivalent and claiming that something else I have used and it does not form the essential part. By that, I cannot stop my obligation of infringement. Now, the action of a patent must be instituted by way of a suit in the district court or a high court. Now, the evidence has to be given in the court, and various interlocutory injunction, final injunction, and the damages, whatever is important for the case, will be given in that case. That's all for today. This is a very small gist of the infringement of patents. If you like my video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.